Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Mazda 3. This particular model is 2010, and the problem with this car is that the ABS light is on and the traction control light. So just going to crank the car up. Here we go. So the ABS light is constantly on and the traction control light just above the seatbelt light is constantly on. So what we did is we did a diagnostic on it, full diagnostic, and it came up as ABS pump modulator, which is faulty on this car. So what I did is I tried to clear it few times, the fault code, and tried to drove the car, and the still fault is there. So what we did is we found a second-hand ABS pump modulator from eBay for $79.99. So we're gonna try fitting that second-hand part into the car. So this is the right-hand drive. Once we fit the new pump, we're gonna bleed all the brake calipers, starting from rear left, then rear right, then front left, and then front right. So on a right hand drive car, the way it works is that the far distant caliper needs to be bled first, then uh, the rear right, then front left, then front right, the nearest one to the brake pedal. Okay, so it's gonna be other way around on the left hand drive cars. So on the left hand drive cars, it's going to be the first caliper you need to bleed after changing the ABS pump is the rear right, then rear left, then front right, then front left. Okay, so hopefully that explains how to bleed the caliper after changing the pump. Right friends, I hope this video is going to help you bleed your calipers on your car.